To get started with Adobe Illustrator, we're going to bring our mouse down to the dock and look for the icon that's orange and has AI on its symbol. Clicking once, this will open up Adobe Illustrator version CS5. When it's open, the first thing you'll notice is that our menu bar options have changed, and also there's a variety of palettes and windows that are on the left, right, and top side of your screen. To create a new document, we're going to go to File, go down to New, which is our first option, and click once. And this will give us a pop-up box. Before we create a new document, we have to give its dimensions and some other information about it. The first thing it'll ask for is to give your document a name. By default, it's going to be Untitled, and for now I'm just going to keep it at that. The next thing we need to do is be sure our number of artboards is set to 1. You can add more, but I'll talk about that later. And then we need to choose our page's size. Some preset sizes can be chosen right here, such as the letter 8.5 by 11 inches, a legal 8.5 by 14, or a tabloid size, which is 11 by 17. These A and B sizes are European sizes. For now, I'm just going to leave it at letter size. If you wanted, you can type in a custom size by typing in an exact width or an exact height. Make sure that your units are also in inches, unless I specify by putting in millimeters, pixels, or points. Everything else can remain the same for now. Once you've got your document sizes typed in, we can hit OK, and that'll bring up our document. Notice that it's 11 inches wide by 8 inches tall, 8.5 inches tall. So let me show you what are the parts of the Cs5 layout. In the very center of your page is the artboard. This is where you'll do all of your drawing, and everything that will print must be within this white page. Everything that's outside of this page, that's in the slightly grayer area, will not print, but you can still work there. To the right-hand side, we can see various palettes, and these give us options for the tools that we'll be working with. Additionally, to the left-hand side, we have a toolbox, which is where you can find all of the tools that we'll be using. When you select a tool, notice at the very top, running along the top edge, are all the tool options for the tool you have selected. So as you pick one tool, notice that the tool options will change depending on which tool you have.